Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I have with me the Wipro Vesta electric egg boiler. Right on the front, you can see the device itself along with some key features listed on the side. Let's open the box and see what's inside. First, we have a user manual. Next, here's the Wipro Vesta electric egg boiler. It looks sleek and compact. Here's the power cable as well. The top cover is made of durable plastic, and it comes with a measuring cup to add the right amount of water depending on how you want your eggs. It also includes a steaming bowl and an egg boiling tray that can hold up to 7 eggs at a time, perfect for a large family. The boiler features a stainless steel heating plate that ensures even heat distribution for perfectly boiled eggs in just a few minutes. Plus, it has handles for easy and safe handling. You can also see the Wipro branding right here. This egg boiler lets you choose between 3 boiling modes: soft, medium, and hard, with a simple one-touch operation for a quick and healthy breakfast.
How to use Wipro Vesta electric egg boiler. Just measure and add the right amount of water, place your eggs in the holder, select your preferred boiling mode, and turn it on. In just a few minutes, you'll have perfectly cooked eggs with no grey rings, thanks to the even heat distribution from the stainless steel plate. If you're looking for a quick, convenient way to make breakfast, the Wipro Vesta electric egg boiler is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and unboxings. Hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Also, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts on the Wipro Vesta electric egg boiler. Have you tried it yet? What's your favorite way to cook eggs? I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next one.